Kecilin audio mo. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and here I'm gonna present the article, and the title is the use of English movies in teaching vocabulary mastery. The author are Dwi Anggi Yulia Stuti, Yuniarta Ita Purnama MPD, and Mega Ratih Titanawati MPD. From Faculty of Language and Arts Education, IKIP, PGRI Bojonegoro. Next, please. Okay, first, I'm going to talk about abstract. Next. Okay. The purpose of this study was to determine the value of students when using English film media, to determine students' vocabulary skills when learning English with English movies, and to determine the significance of using English film media on the vocabulary mastery course. The respondents are 20 students of class 8A SMPN 2 Purwosari. And in achieving the research objective, the author used qualitative descriptive research. The instruments used in this study were observation, interviews, and questionnaires, and then documentation. The findings of teacher and student interviews, it has shown a very positive response about the use of English movie. Next. Okay, we have background of the study. English is an international language that is often used and always studied by many people in the world, especially in Indonesia. For now, almost all people in the world have learned to interact. In learning English, vocabulary has an important role to play in building language prowess. There are various definitions of vocabulary. One of them is vocabulary is a total number of words in a language, a list of words with their meanings. Concludes that vocabulary is several words or phrases which has a meaning that is used in spoken or written language. Learning English is primarily by learning vocabulary because basically vocabulary has an important role. After all, without learning vocabulary, we will never understand what other people are saying. And in this study, researchers use English movie to teach vocabulary mastery. English movie is a tool to learn new vocabulary in the classroom. Then, using English movie will make lessons more fun for students, and students will find it easier to master new vocabulary. Vocabulary mastery aims to make students have good language proficiency in English language skill. By studying vocabulary through the English movie, a researcher wants to improve students' vocabulary mastery because the more vocabulary they learn will make it easier for them to interact using English. Okay, next. Now we move to another point, research methods. Next slide, please. Okay, this study used descriptive qualitative research methods. According to Sugiono, qualitative research where the researcher is placed on key instrument. Data collection techniques are carried out in combination with data analysis is inductive. Sugiono 2010-9. The basis of the talk of a researcher using qualitative research method is to want to know about the phenomenon that is happening in the student's vocabulary mastery. And to complete the research data, it requires two sorts of data. The first one is primary data sources, and then the second one is sources secondary data. Primary data is data obtained directly by researchers in the field through respondents using observation, interviews, and questionnaires. The target data for primary data is data found directly by researchers in the field. And secondary data sources are complementary data sources that serve to complement the data required by primary data. And to get reliable data, the researcher has to do some techniques for collecting those data. The data collecting technique is an important step in research because the research aims to get the data. In qualitative research, collecting the data mostly is done in participant observation, deep interviews, and documentation. And the last is for the trustworthiness of data. Validity and the finding is an actual condition that is happening and has been approved by the research subject, and therefore an examination technique is required. This study use credibility criteria. Credibility is the researcher's effort to ensure the validity of the data by confirming the data obtained or the object of research. Okay, next we have result and discussion. The first one is observation. The function of observation is to know the teacher and students' responses towards the use of English movies and to describe the use of English movies in teaching vocabulary mastery a 8th grade in SMPN to Purwosari. In the core results of the teacher's observation, the teacher explained to students the material related to the use of English movies in teaching vocabulary. In this study, researchers conducted observation for 2 days. From the results of the first and second observations after the movie screening, students were asked to look for 20 new vocabulary words in each movie, and their responses also looked very good and were active when watching movies for vocabulary learning. Next, we have interview. Okay. The author conducted interview with English teachers and asked permission to interview teachers with several grade students at SMPN 2 Purwosari. However, the researcher only conducted interview with 5 students due to the time constraints during the pandemic. Then, to facilitate interviews for students, the researcher used Indonesian. In this regard, there are several questions that must be answered by teachers and students according to their opinions. Okay. The following is an interview with an English teacher at SMPN 2 Purwosari. Next. He said, my response in using English movies for vocabulary teaching is very good because the children are very enthusiastic about understanding the movie, really enjoy it, and the children also look more active when asked to look for new vocabulary words. Next. And also, the writer also asked students about the students' response towards the use of English movies. Students A said, my response is very good because with the English movie in vocabulary teaching, I think this method is very good and we can quickly master new vocabulary because there are so many vocabularies that I can take in a story. I also feel happy and don't get bored easily. Next, in the second interview about the definition of English movies, and the student said, in my opinion, English movies can make students active in expressing opinions, answering and asking questions, and practicing listening to a movie, filling in new vocabulary, reading movie texts, reciting, practicing vocabulary meaning, memory, and using new vocabulary to make sentences. So, the English movie has a very good impact. Okay, next. We have questionnaires. The conclusion from the result of the percentage of the questionnaire is there is known that many students strongly agree that English movies are used for their vocabulary learning. And from these results, it is also explained that students also do not feel bored with the vocabulary learning method. They are also more active in finding new vocabulary in movies. Next, we have documentation. In the current research, the researcher has focused on vocabulary learning material using English movie. Then the researcher also made several observations in order to find out the phenomena that occur in the classroom. And the results also show the students a higher level of activity and enthusiasm for learning. Okay, next we move to another point. There is discussion. The first discussion was on the use of English movies in teaching vocabulary mastery at 8th grade in SMPN 2 Purwosari. And the second discussion was the teacher and student response toward the use of English movies. The others provide question or statements that students can challenge either by writing down the answers The authors find a positive response from the students about the use of English movies in teaching vocabulary mastery at 8th grade students of SMPN to Purwosari. In the results above, it has been stated that the English movie is the right way to learn English, especially learning vocabulary. The existence of English movies really helps students to add new vocabulary, and English movies are also the right way so the students don't feel bored in learning English. Progressively with the English movie, the children look excited, enjoy, and very happy. Next, we have conclusion. The main objective of this research is to find out how use of English films in teaching vocabulary mastery is used, and to find out how the teacher and students respond to the use of English films in teaching vocabulary mastery. The results can be concluded that this research is successful. Students at SMPN to Purwosari really enjoy learning vocabulary using English film. Then, based on the implementation plan of learning English, learning objective are through English film. It is hoped that students can increase vocabulary. Then, from the results of observation, students' responses to the use of English are very appropriate because in addition to adding the vocabulary, students are also happy to learn English. Based on the result of observations, the researcher draws a few conclusions related to the implementation of vocabulary learning using English movies. From the result of observation, number one, the teacher explained the definition of vocabulary, the definition of English movie, and also explained the importance of learning vocabulary using English movies. And observation two, the teacher asked the students to look for 20 vocabularies. From the two observations, it can be concluded that the atmosphere in the classroom is very calm. Students are more enthusiastic about learning and also become active when looking for new vocabulary. And the responses from teacher and student interviews in using English movies for teaching vocabulary have very positive results. Everyone strongly agree that English movies are the right medium for learning vocabulary. Okay, next. The last one is references, and these are some references for in this article. And okay, that's it. I think that's all for me. This is my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.